is Wednesday, 22nd of August. Welcome to my new vlog today. And I'm all dressed up to go to a funeral today, this morning. Well, it's just one of those things. My next door neighbour, she passed away last week. And she's been a long time neighbour for us. And yeah. So I'll catch you after the funeral sometime. Now, the funeral went pretty well. It was good. And yeah. So the cast. It's cloudy, but it's no rain. Not too bad. So anyway, I've got to go into town and chill out a bit. Yeah. Through the car park, underground car park here in Big W, heading for my car. I had a drink at a coffee shop. It was really good. Yeah. It's cold down here. It's not bad outside. A little bit humid, I reckon. So I'm gonna head for my car now. Oh, there's my car. My car keys. I'm in. I'm almost in. Now I've got to get my bag in. I've got a handbag. Man's handbag. I'm supposed to be getting a new one. I've ordered it through Wish. Yeah, Wish. Yeah. So it's a man bag, but this one's just about had it. Actually, the strap on it is just about to bloody come undone. So unstitched. So it's been a good bag. So I'm still waiting on the one I ordered. I thought I'd get it today, but it didn't come. A bit slow. Anyway, I've got to head home now. I'll catch you in a bit. Time has come for a need of change, cool us down in need. Now, yeah, thank you, Frank. Yeah, I know about that that little figurine, or whatever it is, collectible. It says finish. I remember that on the last vlog. It's actually a dishwashing liquid. Yeah, I thought so, but what it turned out to be is a square block of foam. So I don't know what to do with it. So maybe it's just a collection of this finish, I guess, dishwashing liquid. I can't make it out about it, really. Thank you, Frank. NBN, yeah, NBN, National Broadband. Yeah, I know. No internet. That's what I reckon. Oh, yeah. Logan Paul, yeah, about Logan Paul. I know he has a channel. I actually used to follow him on my last channel I had, and yeah, so he's one who has over 1 million subscribers, I think. I think it's 10 million or something like that now. He was good at smashing those plates. Yeah. Because he was reaping so much money, because monetized, and getting paid so much money that, you know, he's got enough money so he goes to smash the dinner plates. He'll go and buy more anyway, so what the heck. Yeah. I know he's a great guy. He's pretty cool. He's a pretty cool guy. And now, before I finish this vlog, I want to thank all you subscribers subscribing to my channel. And of course, I want to thank all the Instagram followers. Yeah, you guys are awesome on Instagram. Thank you for following me. And it's always great. You're good friends. That's what we're all about. We're all to help one another, don't we? And I'm just about to finish an album of songs, 33 songs on the MP3 flash drive. And these are all Australian songs, which I previously recorded, actually. And it's called The Heart of Australia.
That's better than
it's a great album, Australian songs.
In this country, Australia, the land of my birth.
So if you want more information on that, just go to my email.
This goes on the nightclubs, we're all to have some fun. Relax on the golden beaches under the summer sun.
AWSON.
The heart of Australians, we're all Aussie proud. We all come together in this great country
until tomorrow, which will be Thursday. Milkshake Create will be here along tomorrow. Yes, to make your milkshake. Create harmony. Peace. Bye. See you tomorrow. You never know what I get up to next. Have a great Wednesday and enjoy your Thursday tomorrow. Bye.